The iPhone 12 Pro Review. Design and build. The iPhone 12 Pro features a premium design with flat edges, reminiscent of the iPhone 4 series, offering a fresh yet familiar aesthetic. The device is crafted with a surgical-grade stainless steel frame and a ceramic shield front cover, which Apple claims is 4 times more resistant to damage and drops. Available in 4 elegant colors, graphite, silver, gold, and Pacific blue, the iPhone 12 Pro is both stylish and durable. Display. The device boasts a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 2532 by 1170 pixels. It delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and impressive brightness levels, making it ideal for multimedia consumption and professional tasks. The HDR10 and Dolby Vision support enhance viewing experiences for supported content. Performance. Powered by the A14 Bionic chip, the iPhone 12 Pro delivers exceptional performance. Built on a 5nm process, the A14 is not only energy efficient but also one of the fastest chips in a smartphone. The device handles multitasking, gaming, and resource-intensive applications effortlessly. Battery life. The iPhone 12 Pro has a reliable battery that provides a full day of use under typical conditions. It supports 20 watts fast charging, reaching 50% in approximately 30 minutes, and is compatible with MagSafe accessories for easy wireless charging. Overall, the iPhone 12 Pro is a sophisticated smartphone that caters to professionals and enthusiasts alike. Thank you so much.